Top load or front load? People usually pick one and stick with it. But if you've ever wondered what the actual difference is beyond this one opens from the top, there's more going on. I'm Rory with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today we're breaking down how these two machines really compare, what they do well, where they fall short, and which one makes more sense depending on how you actually do laundry. Let's start with how they wash. A top-load washer, especially the traditional kind, uses an agitator or wash plate. That center post moves clothes around pretty aggressively. It's fast, it's simple, and it gets the job done. But it's also rougher on fabrics and uses more water to do it, though HE standards have reduced the amount of water consumption vastly. Front-load washers work differently. No agitator, just the drum tumbling clothes through a small amount of water. It's easier on fabrics and more efficient overall, but cycles usually take longer. So if you're used to tossing a load in and being done quick, top load feels familiar. If you care more about fabric care and efficiency, front load starts to make more sense. Now, water and energy usage. Front load washers use less water. That's just how they're designed. Less water means less energy, which adds up over time. Top load washers, especially older ones, fill the tub higher and use more across the board. If you've ever looked at your water bill and thought, that seems high, this may be one of those quiet reasons why. Capacity and space is where things shift a bit. Top load washers usually let you just drop clothes in, no bending down. That matters more than people think, but stacking, not happening unless you get a washer-dryer combo that is specifically designed that way, which is a whole other bag of cats. Front load washers can be stacked with a dryer, which is a big deal if you're tight on space. Just keep in mind, you're trading convenience of access for flexibility and layout. And then there's maintenance. Front load washers are more prone to odor if you don't leave the door open between uses or keep the seal clean. It's not a defect, it's just the design holding moisture longer. Top load washers don't deal with that as much. If you've ever opened a front load washer and gotten hit with that smell, well, you know. Repairs are a mixed bag. Top load washers tend to be simpler mechanically. Fewer components, easier access. Front load washers are more complex, more sensors, more electronics, and more parts that can fail over time. That doesn't mean one is unreliable, it just means when something does go wrong, front load repairs can be a bit more involved. So what's the better choice? If you want something straightforward with faster cycles and easy access, top load is hard to beat. If you're after better efficiency, gentler washing, and space-saving options, front load is usually the way to go. Neither one is perfect. They're just built for different priorities. And if you've used both and have a strong opinion one way or the other, I'd be curious what tipped it for you. At the end of the day, it's less about which one is better and more about which one fits how you actually live. Comment top or front below to let us know which you prefer.